In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a picture using Microsoft PowerPoint. This skill can greatly enhance your presentations by making images blend seamlessly into your slides. Let's explore how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First things first, launch Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're working with an existing PowerPoint presentation or starting from scratch, make sure to have all your photos, tables, and other content ready. This will allow you to efficiently manage the layout as you get rid of unwanted backgrounds in your images. Once you've got your PowerPoint open and your content set up, click on the specific image that you'd like to edit. This action will automatically reveal the Picture Format tab nestled in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Click on this tab to access a variety of image editing options. You'll want to focus on the Remove Background tool, which you'll find located on the far left. Once you've clicked Remove Background, PowerPoint jumps into action, analyzing your image and making automatic selections. You'll notice that parts of your image are highlighted in pink. These highlighted areas are what PowerPoint proposes to remove. Meanwhile, the parts not highlighted in pink are the ones PowerPoint plans to keep. Depending on the complexity and contrast between your image and its background, this automatic selection can be spot on or may need a bit of adjusting. If you find that the automatic selection isn't quite capturing what you intended to keep or remove, don't worry. The Background Removal tab presents tools for refining this selection. You can use Mark Areas to Keep to specify which parts of the image you want to retain. Simply select this tool and then draw onto the areas you'd like to preserve within your image. This step-by-step flexibility ensures you have the manual control you need for the more intricate and detailed parts of your image. Feel free to adjust your selections until the background removal looks perfect to your eye. And that's it. With the completion of these steps, you've successfully removed the background from an image using PowerPoint. Remember, mastering background removal can take some practice, especially with images that have complex edges or overlapping colors. But with time and experience, it becomes a quick and efficient process that can add a polished, professional touch to your presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel more confident in using these tools in PowerPoint to enhance your presentations. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.